I'm Vic from Mach Products. We're here with what we call our air brake machine. It's model number 98520. This is the bottle that we use to fill up this vessel right here. To fill the bottle, you want to unscrew this, pour your fluid in here, and this is our relief valve. You want to make sure this is in the closed position. Over here we have our new fluid side, which is basically run by shop air, and then we have our evac pump, which is our vacuum side. This is our adapter that goes to our caliper, and this is what we call our extractor to pull out our fluid from our brake reservoir. One thing to remember that's very important, when you turn this on, you're going to gate this up to about 20 psi. After you're done with service, you want to make sure to gate it back down to 0 and then shut this off. If you don't, there's a little ball inside here that will drop down and prevent you from performing a service. So that's important to remember. So we're going to go ahead and hook up our shop air. The red side will always be evacuation side. So we're going to remove our cap from our brake reservoir and then turn on our evac pump. We got our shop air plugged in. Then we're going to use our gun to evacuate what's in the reservoir. Okay, disconnect. At that point, we're going to get the correct adapter for our reservoir. Make sure it's on secure, then plug in our hose with a quick disconnect. At this point, we're going to lift the vehicle and proceed to bleed the brake calipers. At this point, we're going to turn on our new fluid side. We're going to gate up our regulator valve to 20 psi. At that point, we're going to connect our adapter here to our evac hose. Okay, we're going to attach our adapter to our bleeder screw, get our proper wrench, and crack this open about a quarter turn. At this point, you can see the used fluid coming out, going into the used tank of the brake machine. Okay, we're going to close the bleeder screw, remove our adapter, and then we're going to tighten it securely. So we're going to repeat that process on all 4 calipers, and now we're going to lower the vehicle and check our reservoir, see if we need to add or take away some fluid. At this point, we're going to power down the machine, turn our regulator down to depressurize what's in the hose. Okay, at that point we're going to disconnect from our adapter, and then at this point you want to check your level. It seems to be fine right now, so we don't need to add any, but if you did need to add, you would plug in this, turn your new side up, gate up your regulator to 20 psi, and then fill your reservoir to the desired level. If you needed to remove some fluid, you'd hook it up to your evac side, turn on your pump, and extract whatever you need from the reservoir. Again, as I said, when you're done with the machine, make sure you gate this down all the way down to 0. If you leave it gated up to 20, that ball inside will drop and you will have no fluid flow. That's the end of this service.